Hello everyone, good evening. This is Manpreet. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start Career Talks with Manpreet. So I'm again live to answer your all queries regarding German studies. Whatever you want to know regarding Germany, please write down your queries in a comment. Can I stay in Germany after I finish my studies? Yeah, of course. When you plan to study in Germany, like you are planning for a bachelor course, then after bachelor studies, there is a 18 months post-study work permit. Then you can easily have a time to search your job in whole Europe. It's a Schengen visa. So after completing your studies, you can search your job in whole Europe. You have a 18 months post-study work permit. Where can I find accommodation in Germany? For accommodation in Germany, you have a lots of applications, and also we help you to book the accommodation in Germany. If you are planning for a public universities, then we help you, and if you're looking for a private universities, then yes, in private universities there are like buddy kind or someone from the team from university help you to book the accommodation. No worries, we are here to assist you for the all services. Good evening, dear. Okay, BSBI University. Okay, these are the private universities. I also missed one query. The some students say that which one is best, BSB or UE. See, all these are the private universities, and as an educational counselor, I guide you to choose public universities if you plan for a Germany, because public ratio is too good in Germany. But still, if you want to study in English language, you want to skip the student week program, and yes, for master there is a good scholarship program, then you can choose this private universities. And if you choose if you want a good scholarship program, then right now BSB gives you a good scholarship, offers you a good scholarship like 40% scholarship, 60% scholarship. So you can choose these universities if you want to choose like good scholarship opportunities and just focus on your course. And these universities are also in the Berlin capital, so there's a lot of opportunities in the Berlin. Can I bring my family while I'm studying in Germany? On student visa, not possible, but yes, they can reach Germany with the help of tourist visa. But on student visa, not allowed to you to call your family there. But yes, once you get the job, once you get the work permit blue card, then you can call them. No worries. Hello, dear. Please write down your queries in a comment box. Hi, Rohit. How to get PR in Germany? To get PR in Germany, if once you complete the degree, after completing like 3 years of bachelor, there's a need to do work in Germany for 2 years, full-time job of 2 years, then your file is eligible for PR. And if you're planning for masters after complete degree, there's a need to complete your for working hours, practical hours of 2 years. And if you reach Germany and if you start doing job on the at the initial stage, then there's a need to work 4 to 5 years, then after that you are eligible for PR. What kind of jobs do I get if I'm studying in bachelor's? Like there, as a student you get like hospitality jobs, like some transport jobs. You can transport something like from one place to another with the help of bicycles, with the help of like any transport. And also uh, you can choose like library campus jobs. So there's a different kinds of job, but all the jobs are like respected jobs. All students can do these jobs. So you are not think like I'm in Germany and I can do these jobs. All students can do. Then you also do easily. There is no feel like that. Okay, this is this kind of job. How can I do? When all students do, it's like the respected jobs. Can I open GNM is eligible? Yes, of course. But once, if you want to log in your file before that, just share your documents with us. Before any green signal, I want to check your documents. So when I get the green signal from my German team, then I give you a green signal. Okay, these documents are accepted by the German team, and now you are eligible to apply. I have heard Germany is known for automobile engineering. What if we choose Germany for any other course? There is no need to be worried. Yeah, true. This is true that if we search for engineering, then Germany is the top one country. But this is not true that Germany is only run by the engineers. German companies also need of a MBA students, like they need a marketing, they need a finance, they need a business administration. So every course has a huge scope in Germany. If you check for the, if you think plan to for a if you plan for a medical courses, then if you check that in the Indian hospitals, all the machines like MRI, scan machine, X-ray machines, all the machines are exported from the Germany. So Germany has a huge scope for medicals also, engineers also, MBAs also. All courses are in demand. There is no course in Germany without any scope. So choose any course without any point. You get a good future in Germany. What happen after completing language if I choose Ausbildung and skip Studienkolleg? No worries. If you choose Ausbildung, you skip Studienkolleg, there is no problem. But yes, for Ausbildung, there is a need up to B2 level. So once you complete B2 level, number of students like you, they plan to move to Ausbildung when they're facing some problem, like if they face like language is tough and they're not in a mood to do study more, they want to shift like some vocational training or internship kind courses, then they can choose Ausbildung. But if you are in Germany and you also complete up to B2 level, then you can easily choose Ausbildung program. No worries. Do we get offer letter for nursing in Germany? No. Before visa in India, offer letter is in your hand. Without offer letter, how your visa file will be completed? I have done graduation last year now. Can I do Ausbildung? Yeah, no worries. There's a need of 12th and only B2 level German language. Then you are eligible for Ausbildung program. It doesn't matter. Any more queries or all done? I guess all done. Okay, still you have any more queries? Then join us again tomorrow, same time, 5:30 Insta Live, 5 p.m. Zoom meeting. Thank you. Okay, take care. Bye bye.